welcome back to the channel, you guys. Now, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, man, today is such a glorious day, man. I'm so glad to be able to just have this shop, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So if you haven't done so already, come on and join the D's Nuts and Bolts family. I'll tell y'all exactly how this all came about and how it happened. I know a few people ask me what I do for work, so I was working as an engineer. So about a month and a half ago, I got laid off from my job. I had no clue of what I was gonna do, where I was gonna work, and I was very invested into doing YouTube, and I was just doing it on the side. People kept telling me, man, just keep doing what you're doing. So once that came about, you know, I was just, man, I need to move to the next level. I can't keep working on people's cars in the backyard and fixing motorcycles in the backyard for that matter. So I was driving about, I seen this building, I stopped in, I made the phone call, and I kid you not, it was the easiest deal ever. Like it was meant to be. That's how fast like everything happened. So within 2 days, got the keys and moving in, and man, it's just been a straight blessing, guys. So I just want to let y'all know, never give up on your hopes, never give up on your dreams. Always do something that you're passionate about. Even though I was an engineer, I was not passionate about that, but I was passionate about that paycheck. Anyways, always do what you love, guys, and no matter what it is, just do what you love. You only got one life to live, and you always want to do what you love. That's my message. That's all I can give to you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here, and I'll see you guys at the shop. Welcome to the humble abode. Come on in, guys. This is our new spot. It's 1,200 square feet of workspace. Guys, we have a bright future ahead of us. Man, this is such a blessing to be in this opportunity right now. Of course, I got the R1 sitting right here. It's almost complete. We just got to put a few more pieces on this thing. And of course, this is where we're going to start at in the shop. So guys, you know we got to christen this thing first, but let me show you around. Right now, this is the shop. Of course, it's not a palace right now. We got a lot of work to do to get this thing here looking spectacular. So this right here, it's gonna be our little commons area, our lounge area here, where you can come in, have your little snack and drink, and a seat over here, and you're gonna have a TV on the wall. And then here's the office. Of course, it still needs some TLC in here as well. So we're gonna be working on this for the next 2 to 3 weeks to get in this thing looking spiffy. Now out here in the shop, plenty of space going on here, and we actually got a nice little upstairs area, which is actually pretty good and useful to put extra parts or just things we want to be out the way where it's not just sitting in the shop. So we got plenty of space in this thing. This is it. It's the new home of These Nuts and Bolts. I've been sitting here, I'm trying to figure out how can I christen the shop? How can I say, yes, this is our home and this is what it's gonna be? But you know what? I got an idea. Now that's gonna be here for years. All right, guys, I left my mark. She's permanent. I left it. Maybe I'll just clean the floor, but anyway it goes, it looks good. What's your thoughts?
Good.
You like the space?
Yeah, I love it.
You love the space. All right, guys, so y'all already know the deal. Let me get these packages out of the car and let me get everything set up, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish replacing this air, put the air duct on because it came in the mail. So guys, like always, let's get to work. Also got to show you the air compressor. We're gonna be pushing plenty power with some of this Ingersoll Ram air conditioning. Not air conditioning, man. What I'm doing, air compressor. But there is an air conditioner right there. Anyway, there's the old frame to the R1. Bike stands, tool bag, whatever. We got a lot of stuff to move in, guys. No, I just want to put them up there right now.
Okay.
So we get set up.
Everyone, this is Tommy, and he's gonna come to the home of these nuts for the first time.
How everybody doing? What's going on, brother? What do you think about it? I'm good. Got enough space? Yeah. There's plenty of space in here. Yeah. I think we can get maybe like 5, possibly 6 cars in here. Yeah. Got the upstairs area, bathroom in there. All the stuff needs TLC. We gotta go through and repaint. Tired of this happening, man. Okay, so guys, we can't put this on today because this one right here is the left side, not the right side. So computer error, we're gonna call it. So now we need to send this back, get the right one, and then we're also waiting on the title to come back for this puppy, so then we can go ahead and sell this thing. So guys, just like that, this video is ended. Thank you all for all the love and your support and the nice comments you guys send. It really empowers me to do better and actually bring better content for you guys. If you would like to send something, I'm gonna put the address, the links in the description below. We need to get some decoration here in this plain shop. So guys, whatever you wanna send, you may send whatever you want. So guys, you already know the deal. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.